Hello, it's Nicola Blakemore here from Painting with Nicola. Now, have you got a burning question that you're trying to ask me about watercolour painting or brushes or paper or paints? Well, I have the answer for you. Join my Ask Nicola program. It's a series of 9 live and interactive events starting April the 26th. There's one every couple of weeks. There's 9 left in the year. It costs you £45, and that, apart from attending a live event where you get to answer your question in real time and get an answer back, hopefully straight away, it also then allows you to watch the recording should you not have been able to join the live event. So, have you got that question that you just can't find the answer to? Well, ask Nicola. You never know, I might have the answer. Details are all in the description box below this video. Press where it says see more and it will pop up. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, see you soon. Oh, and by the way, keep safe and keep painting.